Welcome to 614 Northwest 13th Street, located in Canyon Rim Village. This vacant lot is 0.26 acres large, has over 180 feet of canyon frontage, and is the best located buildable canyon rim lot available in Redmond. It has the largest frontage along the rim and probably the best view available, completely unobstructed, of Gray Butte. That house being built now is the closest home that can be built. There's a couple other lots in between, but that view of Gray Butte will be preserved. And the most important view, the view of the canyon, will stay untouched. The access to the canyon here is second to none. You can find your way down off the edge here, which is a little bit more of a challenge, or walk down to the park for Canyon Rim Village, and there's paved access down to the paved trail system and dirt trails. The Dry Canyon is the gem of Redmond recreation, with pickleball courts, mountain bike trails, a climbing wall under Maple Street Bridge. There's dog parks, amphitheaters, pickleball courts. Very close to here is down at the Spud Bowl. You also have a little skate park area and soccer fields. You can get to everywhere in town from this trail system. Downtown is a quick jaunt. It's awesome to be right here on the edge in one of Redmond's premier neighborhoods. This site built allows for single level layouts to fit back. You can see there's a couple canyon rim lots that aren't quite as desirable behind, and that's it. There will be no more left here in Canyon Rim Village, and throughout the town they're almost all completely built out. Good wide frontage across the street for access. So I'm just about a block and a half straight north at West Canyon Rim Park, where you can see there's access to the Dry Canyon on this paved trail, restrooms, an awesome playground, lots of grass to enjoy, and a full-size basketball court. So you have access right down the road for bicycles, walking, running, to this awesome park and all of the amenities of Redmond.